canned responses and templates to send emails faster in Gmail. This also works for G Suite. So what do I mean? Okay, so I'm going to hit compose, and I've got an email here. It's got my default signature, but I haven't got any content. Now, if I'm going to write something that I normally send to a client on a regular basis, I want it to be, fairly nice. I want it to be well thought out, but sometimes I'm just too busy. So I'm going to write my well thought out one. I'm going to save it as a template, and it's going to look something like this. Now, this is just some dummy text, obviously, but some interesting things to note is that it's just pasted it straight in there. Now I can top and tail it. I can put the first name in. I can do some other little bits and pieces. The next thing is that when I set this up, last time it copied the signature, and so when it's automatically applied the signature this time, it's doubled it up. So that's important when we set this up. Okay, so how do we set this up? First of all, we go to Settings, click on Settings again, go to the Advanced tab, and then this top one here which says Templates. Turn frequent messages into templates and save time. Then we just want to click Enable, and then once we've done that, you'll have to hit Save Changes down the bottom here. So how does that work for us? So what we do is we go and we hit compose. We write our perfect email, including the subject. So it might be introduction. Then we get rid of the signature. Then we type our message. Hi. And then we go and hit the More Options button. We go to Templates, and then we go Save as Draft Template. Save as New Template. And the title is the subject line. So, now, when I go into Templates, hit Compose for a new one. And then I'm going to hit the More, Templates, Introduction, and it's inserted it there. And obviously you might just play with it and make sure you get that spacing as well. Okay, that's how to use canned responses and or templates inside Gmail. Thank you very much.